to download and install 7-zip on Windows laptop or PC is actually really simple. For it, just go to your browser, then search for 7-zip, download, then press enter and go to this link 7zip.org, and I'll also give this link in the description. So after coming to this link, we want to download it for Windows. Here you can see the .exe file 64 bits. We need to download this one. So we'll click on download and it will download a .exe file. Over here you can see this is the .exe file. So we just need to double click here and we need to give a permission yes. After that, here you need to choose what you want to install 7-zip. So we'll keep the default location, which is local disk C, then click on install and the installation is complete. After that, you can just close this. So here, for example, let me just go to my folder, and here let's say we want to zip this folder. So for it, we can just right click here and click on show more option, and here you can see it is showing us the option called 7-zip here, and if we now click on add to archive, it will show us a few options. If you are okay with all the setting, you can just click on OK, and I want to create a zip file, so I'm going to select zip over here and click on OK, and I can see it created a zip file over here. And if you want to extract it, we can do it as well. Let me just delete this HTML folder from here and let me just extract this. Click on show more options 7-zip, and let's say here extract here, and there you can see it extract the zip file. So this is how you can download and install 7-zip on your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.